Hi guys, it's Kenisha Kellian. I have been away for a while, but I have an unboxing to do, as you can tell by the title. I got the iPhone 13 Pro, so sit back while I unbox it. Okay, so I have the iPhone 11 and I got the iPhone 13 Pro in gold. It looks tan from the box and it doesn't have the plastic on it, but it has like these two heel strips, so I'm excited. Nothing wrong with my iPhone 11, but I needed an upgrade. I usually don't upgrade my phones that fast, but I said I needed an upgrade because I heard the rumors about the Pro, how the camera's better. So I went ahead and I got this iPhone 13 Pro with 256 gigabytes. So here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, oh my goodness, I don't know if you can see, but it's beautiful. Let's compare the size. Can't really tell. It's not really that much of a difference, but 3 cameras. Okay, listen. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, we're turning it on. Okay, so I'm gonna set it up and I'll be right back. While it's updating, I'm going to put on this case I got from Amazon. And in this case comes with a bunch of stickers that I do not need. Ooh. Protector for camera lenses. I got 2, came with 2. The guide stickers for the glass protector, the screen protector. I believe these are magnets for the magnetic charging. Okay, so here, oh, it comes with 2, and then it comes with a case. So I will do that in the meantime. I'm going to screen record me taking a selfie. Portrait mode, natural light. The flash was on. What are we doing? No flash. And then studio light. Okay. Got to come to light. I'm gonna take a picture at the same time. My iPhone 13 is 11. Let's see the pictures. I don't know. This phone's more golden. This one's more clear. But it's more sharp. You see the difference sometimes. Overall, I love my phones. I'm gonna keep one when I'm vlogging, the other one to take pictures. I'm not giving this phone up. It hasn't failed me. I just wanted to upgrade. And there you have it. That was my review of my unboxing. I love, 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 love that phone. But I'm asking you guys to give it a thumbs up, the video that is, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon.